Plants can do both photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So basically respiration, the word comes from respire. Respire means breathing in and breathing out. So you breathe in oxygen, you breathe out carbon dioxide. Um, so what we're going to do today is we're going to look at the cellular level. What is that oxygen doing in your body? That oxygen at the cellular level goes in the mitochondria and it produces energy basically. There's some chemical processes that take place and the end result is ATP. ATP is energy currency, we learned. So basically, plants can do both. They can do photosynthesis and cellular respiration. And last time I said, if you have some, maybe, I don't know, plants, maybe cyanobacteria or something like that, that does photosynthesis, and you put it in a jar and then you seal the lid completely. Because it can do both, it's going to do photosynthesis and it's going to produce oxygen as a byproduct. Then it can take that oxygen byproduct and it can use it in cellular respiration to do basically to produce energy. When it does the cellular respiration, it's going to produce CO2 and then it can take the CO2 and it can use it for photosynthesis. So plants, they can live for really 20 plus years if, even if they don't get any oxygen from outside, as long as they get sunlight and as long as it doesn't get too hot. Inside the jar, maybe it's not, you're not leaving it in the really hot temperature. So they can live for a really long time. So what this tells us that plants don't need us, or we breathe out carbon dioxide. They don't need us for carbon dioxide. They can produce this as a byproduct. And then animals or us, we do need plants because we breathe in oxygen. So plants don't need us, but we do need plants. So all plants and animals and bacteria, they use food such as glucose. And I told you guys, you have to know the glucose formula, and oxygen to produce ATP. So this oxygen can go in and can start breaking down some bonds and produce ATP. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. Tri means three. It has three phosphates. It's an energy carrier molecule. It's not energy itself. It's an energy carrier molecule. So once the bond breaks, it's going to release energy.